My philosophy is long-term success over short-term profit always wins. I always felt like I have to work harder than the next guy so I can be as good as the best. I didn't have any connections. I have over 4,000 contacts on my phone. I have clients calling me, I want to buy a Bentley.
It's the focus on not the revenue itself, but what are the activities that provided that revenue.
A lot of agents, especially new agents now, they'll get a lead, they'll have a buyer, and they'll show them properties. They focus on the commission. They focus on, I'm going to make this much money. My philosophy is long-term success over short-term profit always wins. So I don't care how much money I'm going to make. I care about my client. I care about him to have, or the family, they to have good experience, to find the perfect house, to be happy, and I'm building that relationship. 80% of my business comes from referrals. So I moved here from Eastern Europe. Naples was new to me. I've only lived here for 12 years. So I always felt like I have to work harder than the next guy so I can be as good as the best guy, right? So I didn't have any connections. I have over 4,000 contacts on my phone today. I am very well connected. I can get you anywhere in town. So to me, that was very important. It was more important than the money I'm making. It was building those relationships, making sure I can open doors for my clients. People can call, my clients, they know they can call me anytime. I have clients calling me, clients that bought, $30-40 million of properties throughout the years with me. And they'll call me, hey, Blaze, do you have a guy for this? I have a problem with my car. I want to buy a Bentley. Do you have connections in? So all those little things, it's behind the scenes. It's not just selling real estate.
And so it's activities that bring revenue. And that's
100%.
like, it's the focus on not the revenue itself, but what are the activities that provided that revenue. They're usually more selfless. Mm-hmm. They're usually not focused on, they're just relationships. They're showing up for people. They're going above and beyond.